Today we revise the lesson first. Be alert and aware of your consumer right. In this chapter we have studied about the different rights of consumer and also some awareness. But before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First to see the homework.
As you know that in previous online class, I have given homework. Learn choose the correct answer of lesson 28 and 30. I hope all of you learned choose the correct answer of lesson 28 and 30 in proper way. And I request you, all of you, you have to write name, class and section in comments box for your attendance. Most of the students watch the video, but only few students uh, have to write name, class and section in comment box. So I request to all of you, you have to write name, class and section in comments box. And you know that I have completed the half yearly syllabus, and today onwards I revise the lesson from 1.
Okay, students, see here revision. Lesson first. Be alert and aware of your consumer right. As a consumer, it is important for us to know our right. You know that we know our consumer rights. What are our consumer rights? Okay, if you as well as responsibilities, knowing our right help us to protect ourselves and our dear ones from being cheated upon. If you know about the consumer rights, you are not cheated, you are not attacked by the any wrong persons or cheating persons, because always you alert about the consumer. Okay, a lot of our shopping happens online these days. You know that nowadays many persons like to purchase things from online, like some basic here, uh, Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, or many online platform available today, and all of most of the person like to purchase anything on such type of platform. The internet is also a place where a lot of crime happens, especially financial crimes. But you know that sometimes this type of online purchasing, online marketing may be harmful. If you are not awareness, if you know about your right, then maybe you suffering from the financial crime. The suggestion below will help us to safeguard yourself from online cheating. You know that sometimes you heard in the news channel somebody lost the 50,000 rupees from account balance, bank account. Why? Because they are not awareness, they are not follow the rule, they are not follow the instruction those are given by the bank or any awareness person. Okay, see here, be careful while sharing payment information. Always when you share the information, sharing payment information, be alert, awareness. It is advisable to share payment detail only the known or reputed vendors or known person, not unknown person, known person or trusty persons. Okay, if you share payment information to unknown persons or any untrusted persons or those are greedy like, then you may be suffering from the financial crime. They got the your they receive the some rupees from your bank account. Remember to print or save a copy of the order placed. Always see save the or print the order copy of place. Always use a strong and tricky password, easy to remember, hard to guess. Always use the tricky password. You know that some person use the as a mobile number, as a date of birth, as the name, as a password. This is wrong. Okay. Suppose sometimes many persons use a mobile number as a password. Okay. Sometimes they use date of birth as a password. Sometimes they use the simple way in name and a simple number as a password. This type of password cause the sometimes of financial problems. So always use the tricky password. Typical password, easy to learn and hard to guess. Means some alphabet use, number use, and some sign and symbols also use in password. It is best not to use public computer for making any kind of online purchase or money transaction. Always use the personal computer, a personal device, not use the public computers for transaction money, for purchasing anything. Okay, because they hack the your password, your transaction detail, and after later they use this bank payment detail and also password for transaction money. Okay, always check the balance bank statement and notification. Always time to time check the bank balance and also check the notification of bank. Okay, and if your mobile number not connected to bank account, so you go to the branch of bank, then you apply to connect the mobile number to the bank. Because if you not connect the mobile number to the bank account, if any fraud happen in your account, you are not get the information about the bank account. So all of you connect the mobile number to the bank account.
Okay, student, how to write this lesson. So here I give information about the lesson how to write. Fill in blanks. First, you write as a fill in blanks, and now I'm solving one by one. First, the blank space on a product informs the consumer about the date on which it was manufactured in compliance with good manufacturing practice. And here you fill up manufacturing date. Second, the blank space on a product informs the consumer about the date till which the product is safe to be used or consumed. Expiry date. In first you have to fill up expiry date. And third number, the full form of FSSAI is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Fourth number, the number against blank space indicate the quantity of fat present in a single serving of food. Total fat. In fourth number, you fill up total fat. Fifth, the blank space label on a product indicates the maximum price at which it can be sold. Here you fill up maximum retail price. Maximum retail price. If you have not write this exercise in copy, then write. Otherwise, you learn proper way. And I request you, please, in comment box, you have to write name, class, and section for your attendance. Okay, student, now write homework of lesson first. Be alert and aware of your consumer rights. Okay, learn fill in blanks of lesson first. Learn fill in blanks of lesson first in proper way, and I request you, I remind again, and I request you also, please, you have to write name, class, and section for your attendance daily. After watching the video, you have to write name, class, and section in comment box for your attendance. Thank you for watching this video. Best of luck. God bless you. Thank you.